Di, para makasabay yung mga iba, mga baguhan. Though alam kung alam nyo na to. Pag rational guys, kunyari rational tayo eh. Bakit ba tayo rational animal? Alam nyo bang animal tayo guys? Kaya nga sasabihan kayo minsan, animal ka. Ay, iba pala yan. Diba? Tama ba yung sinabi ko guys? Sinasabihan kayo ng animal. Animal ka. Kasi nga, animals naman talaga tayo guys. Sabi sa philosophical. Philosophy ba yun? Rational animal? Hindi ko na alam. Pero rational daw kasi we have the capacity to think and to speak. Anyways, so let's say we have 3 over x, number 1, minus 1/3 equals 1 over 6. So we can do the what we did this one to solve it easily, or if you want to make yourself do more, you can just do LCD, but I will multiply it both side by 6. Why? To eliminate the denominator, but we have variable x here, so we need to multiply it by the LCD of your LCM of your denominator. You have 3, 6, and x, so from the numbers we'll be having 6. For the variable you have x, so we'll be having 6x as their LCM sa both sides. So let's divide and multiply. So you have x in this denominator, just close that, cover the variable x, then multiply the remaining numbers. So we have 3 times 6, that is 18. So we have 18 minus, so as for second term we have 3 tapos 6x, so 6 divide 3, that is 2, times x, that is 2x, times 1, that's still 2x. So this will become 2x, then equals, as for this right side you have variable number 6 here, and cover the number 6 here, then you will be having variable x, then multiply it to the numerator, which is 1. So 1 times x, that is x, so equals x. So thank you. So you will be having this kind of equation, then transpose or isolate the variables, then combine like terms. So you'll be having 18 here, then we have x, so copy of x, so copy of x, so copy of x, so copy, while this negative 2x, this will become positive 2x, then combine like terms, so 18 equals x times 2x plus 2x, this will be x. Divide both sides, so our variable will have 83, which is 6. So that's the answer. Using LCM, it's easier for me. Multiply both sides by the common multiples. Just need to skip count the